Hello, my name is Rajneesh Kumar, your technical expert advisor. Today, I welcome you to the Techno Expert session. In today's technical session, I will share some important information with you about energy storage systems. In today's video, we will talk about how to resolve BMS hang issues, meaning how to fix a BMS hang issue. If your battery suddenly stops responding, it could be that your BMS has hung. To resolve this, let's understand step by step how to handle this issue. First of all, check whether you are able to set the parameters from the display or not. Also, check if they can be adjusted through the host software. If you are unable to set any value, then this is a clear signal that your BMS has hung. So what should you do about this? Simply use the reset switch to restart the battery once. After that, check again to see whether the BMS has recovered from the hang state or not. If there is still an issue, then carefully open the battery. Remove one of the connectors from either the positive or negative wire connected to the BMS and then try reconnecting it. This is a kind of hard restart. Now check whether the BMS has revived or not. If you still don't get any response, then understand that there is some other issue inside. In this case, you might have to replace the BMS. But there's no need to worry. By following these steps, this issue is often resolved. Thank you very much for staying with us until the end of this video. I hope the information we provided will be very useful to you to watch more such technical videos like this video. Subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.
Eastman.